Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
In an earlier lesson, you saw how to edit a control's properties to prevent users from editing its content or deleting the control. Now you will examine how to protect the form itself in Word. Before starting this process, however, make sure you are not in design mode in Word by clicking the button of the same name in the Controls button group on the Developer tab in the ribbon if necessary. When this button does not appear highlighted, then design mode is turned off. When in design mode in Word, you cannot enforce protection on a form. To protect a form in Word, click the Restrict Editing button in the Protect button group on the Developer tab in the ribbon to open the Restrict Editing task pane at the right side of the document window. To restrict formatting in Word, check the Limit Formatting to a Selection of Styles checkbox in the Formatting Restrictions section of this task pane to restrict the types of formatting that users can apply to the form's elements. Then click the Settings hyperlink below the checkbox to open the Formatting Restrictions dialog box. In the Styles section, check or uncheck the styles you want the user to use or not use. In the Formatting section, you can check or uncheck the checkboxes to enable or disable the associated formatting features as desired. When finished, click the OK button. To restrict editing changes in Word, check the Allow only this type of editing in the document checkbox in the Editing Restrictions section of this task pane to enable content editing restrictions. Then use the drop-down below that to choose the level of restriction to apply. To prevent all changes other than filling in the form, you can select the Filling in Forms choice. Otherwise, select the desired type of editing restriction to apply from the drop-down. When finished, click the Yes, Start Enforcing Protection button. Then enter a password to prevent others from changing these protection settings if desired. Then click the OK button to apply protection to the form.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.